holistic breathwork and grounding course is designed to offer a comprehensive blend of ancient wisdom and contemporary techniques aimed at elevating physical, mental, and emotional wellness. By combining the power of breathwork exercises and grounding practices, this course provides a holistic approach to well-being. Let's take a closer look at what this course entails. The course is divided into 2 parts and 9 modules. These modules are designed to guide you through the course material in a structured and organised manner. To enhance your learning experience, the course includes 14 videos that provide visual demonstrations of the breathwork exercises and grounding techniques. Furthermore, you have access to 3 downloadable PDFs: course images, the breathwork toolkit, and the grounding toolkit. These resources serve as valuable references throughout your journey. In this course, you will explore 24 holistic breathwork exercises in depth. These exercises are carefully selected to help you tap into the transformative power of your breath and enhance your overall well-being. Application in personal and professional settings. One of the key objectives of this course is to equip you with the necessary skills to apply breathwork and grounding techniques in both personal and professional settings. Whether you want to enhance your own well-being or guide others in their breathwork practices, this course will provide you with the knowledge and tools to do so effectively. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you can promote holistic well-being and create a positive impact on those around you. In this course, emphasis is also placed on ethical considerations, safety precautions, and effective facilitation techniques when guiding others in breathwork practices. It is essential to approach breathwork with respect and mindfulness, ensuring the well-being and safety of both yourself and others. By understanding and implementing these ethical considerations and safety precautions, you can create a supportive and nurturing environment for breathwork sessions. In part 2 of the course, we move into grounding practices, historical evolution and scientific foundations. This course explores the historical evolution and scientific foundations of grounding practices to deepen your understanding. By delving into the origins and development of grounding techniques, you will gain insights into their effectiveness and relevance in today's world. Understanding the scientific basis of grounding practices will enable you to appreciate their potential impact on your overall well-being. The course provides a detailed examination of the effects of grounding on various aspects of health and well-being. By grounding yourself, you can potentially experience positive effects on inflammation, pain management, circulatory functions, sleep quality, mental and emotional well-being, and even the gut-brain axis. This comprehensive exploration of the benefits of grounding will inspire you to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. As part of this course, you will develop proficiency in both outdoor and indoor grounding methods. Whether you prefer connecting with nature or utilizing indoor grounding techniques, this course has you covered. Additionally, common questions and concerns related to grounding practices are addressed, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of how to incorporate grounding into your life effectively. The course aims to provide you with the knowledge and practical skills necessary to initiate a transformative journey towards holistic wellness. By exploring a wide range of breathwork exercises and grounding practices, you will gain valuable insights and techniques to enhance your well-being.